Here is an example of the beautiful tree-lined streets that I mentioned in the intro. Gorgeous hydrangeas. And as I stroll around, you can see some of these beautiful, beautiful homes that have been remade. The landscaping, gorgeous on all of them. New construction in various places. This is one of my favorites right here. You would think that something so modern wouldn't fit, but it blends in so nicely. When I first saw these, I thought they were hydrangeas, but the owner was out and he told me these are flax. They're absolutely stunning. More hydrangeas and grasses on what appears to be a relatively new home. This one appears to be not new, definitely, but with a lovely garden in front and what we would call a duplex. This one, honestly, in my opinion, looks very out of place amongst the character of the other homes. This one is kind of modern, very minimal landscaping. This is 3 apartment towers that are being constructed near the Burrard Street Bridge, which is at the very end of Kitts Point. Not my idea of a place to live, but it's very densely populated, this city, and construction seems to be all year round here. Look how cute this one is. A cozy little cottage. And here is where I had the pleasure of staying while I was in Vancouver. My son and his family live here. It's a beautiful spot. They have this gorgeous patio that extends their living space. It's just wonderful. Hope you've enjoyed this little tour of Kitts Point in Vancouver. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.